What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna review fried bird wings. These taste really good. I have 2 of them. I can fry more. Just 3 of them take a long time to make. Anyway, here I'm eating. The thing I like the most about this is it tastes really good. It's not that bad. It tastes like chicken. It's just that the flavor is added more to the wing. Oh, that's just good. Simply boil, then fry. You can get this in any country except for Singapore. Best country to get this is in Malaysia. Not by the ones that are really cooked. These are really good. You got to try them. Simply delicious. That's good. If you did it correctly, your meat should be soft and the bone should be edible. If you did it right, it shouldn't be so oily. Only cook for a short time. You should watch other videos that teach you how to cook this. So bye.